Today we will do the construction exercise, that is exercise 11.2 from NCERT. We require construction equipments, pencil, sharp pencil, compass. Compass should be such that the level of the pointer of the compass and the pencil should be same. They should be at the same level, and pencil should be of shorter length, not long one. Then we require scale, ruler, then eraser. So we start the construction now. Very first question from exercise 11.2. We are given the base BC 7 cm, base angle, one of the base angle B as 75 degree. Then sum of other two sides AB plus AC, it is 13 cm. So we move on to construction. How to make this triangle ABC? Very first, base BC is equal to 7 cm. B, point C. To construct 75 degree at point B, compass sufficient measure. First angle, first arc 60 degree, second arc 120, at the top for 90 degree, cutting. So point of intersection, join from B, this will be of 90 degree. We only require the point of intersection on this arc, so we make it as dotted line. 90 and 60. From 90 and 60 we'll make 75 degree, bisecting this angle. So from here at the top, then from this point, yes, this point of intersection from B, it will make 75 degree. Yes, 75 degree. So joining. Now how much do we require this length? This length we have to extend from B till point D, such that BD is equal to AB plus AC, that is 13 cm. So compass measure of 13 cm. Yes, it is at 13 cm. Then from B, arc 13 cm, extending from B to D, the same 75 degree line. So the point of intersection, this is point D. Joining C and D. Now we require a point A. That point A will lie on the line BD. How to find out that point? We'll make the perpendicular bisector of line CD. So more than half, at the top, at the bottom. Yes, perfect. Here, okay, it's correct. Then from D, yes, perfect. This point as well as this point. So, joining of these 2 points will form perpendicular bisector. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector on the line BD is point A, join of AC will complete the formation of the triangle ABC. Now the very first step involved, BC, draw BC equal to 7 centimeter. This was 7 centimeter. Then second step, draw angle B as 75 degree. This angle is 75 degree. Third step, extend this line. Which line? The line drawn in second step. Draw that we have already drawn, angle B 75 degree. We have to extend this line to point D. Extend this line to point D. Where should the point D lie? Such that BD is equal to how much? This should be of length 13 centimeter, such that BD is equal to 13 centimeter. It is sum of AB and AC. So fourth step, join D to C, join DC. Fifth, we have to construct the perpendicular bisector of CD, that is make perpendicular bisector of CD, perpendicular bisector of CD, and this perpendicular bisector of CD will intersect the line BD at point A. Make perpendicular bisector of CD which intersect which line? Intersect BD at point A. This perpendicular bisector will pass through this line BD at point A. This will be the vertex of our triangle. So we'll join AC. The last step, join AC. Triangle ABC is required triangle. The next question number 2. Base BC is 8 centimeter. Base angle, one of the base angle 45 degree. Difference between the sides. Earlier it was sum of the sides. Now here it is the difference, and difference AB. AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So first make BC 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Angle B 45 degree. How to make 45 degree? Bisecting 90 degree angle. First arc, second arc, second arc of 60 degree, then 120 degree above it to make it 90. Point of 120 intersecting the above arc. Yes, point of intersection at the top. Joining B to that point, dotted line. Why? Because we require only this point on the bigger arc. So bisecting, this is point of 90 degree angle and this is for 0. Bisecting from 0 and from 90 means what angle is going to be there? It will be of 45 degree. Bisecting 90 degree angle, more than half of the arc. Yes, then from here, yes, joining B to this point will make 45 degree. Yes, but we have to make this line till point D such that BD is equal to AB minus AC. So we require AB minus AC as 3.5 centimeters. So let us make it as 3.5 centimeter. From here 3.5, this much. So 3.5 arc. This is the point where till which point it is 3.5. So here lies point D. The same way in the previous question, we will join C to D. Joining CD, then perpendicular bisector of CD. How? More than half of it at the top, at the bottom. So we should make it sufficient measure. It should be more than half. At the top, below it. Then from the point D, yes. At the top, at the bottom. Again, yes. This is the point of intersection. So this is perpendicular bisector. Let us see where it cuts. Where it cuts the line BD, because it is only 3.5, but we require a point of intersection on this line, so we will extend it. Extend it till the point of intersection with the perpendicular bisector. This is point A, where the perpendicular bisector cuts the extended line BD. That point will be point A. We will join A to C. So A, B, C is required triangle. So what are the various steps involved? You should write those steps. Very first step, what was that? Draw BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Second step, draw angle B as 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. Yes. Then draw angle B as 45 degree. Extend this line. Which line? Step 2 line to point D such that BD is equal to how much? 3.5 centimeter. Yes. Join CD. Fifth point, will make the perpendicular bisector of CD. Draw perpendicular bisector of CD, perpendicular bisector of CD, which intersects extended BD at point A. Yes. Sixth one, join AC ABC is required triangle. Done.